Hello Lefty Wannabes and welcome to the channel Right Left Hand. Today we are on maintenance 13, so let's go ahead and get started. Actually, before we get started, I just wanted to comment that yes, I am back to an older camera that doesn't have as good of a lens, and will be using this for the next couple videos, at least until I can find a different camera or something that's a little bit better. So please stay patient, and we'll get through this as we can. So I have fallen a little bit behind in some of the videos. Usually this maintenance video comes out at the beginning of the month, and then around this time the second maintenance video for the month would come out. Things have been a little bit busy, but I just want to make sure to actually get this out there so that you guys could see what's going on and keep up with your practicing. So yeah, I apologize for being gone, but life goes on, and I made it out. I guess I can say made it out here, and it's really just the internet, so I made it anyways. So yep, there we have the uppercase. Now I'll go ahead and write the lowercase. And see how it goes. It's going pretty well, even though it's I haven't been doing it. I guess it's been 2 weeks, so unfortunately, but that's okay. It's a bit of my fault for letting things catch up, or letting things get the best of my schedule and whatnot, so I didn't have as much time to devote to this. But I'm back, so there you have it. Maintenance 13. Come back to continue practicing, and because I'm a little bit off schedule, I'll probably be releasing these videos at irregular times, maybe a few over the next few days just to catch up. But anyways, there you have it. Alrighty, goodbye.